Let's get to the point. Nasarapan talaga ako sa vegan empanada ni Bav Empanada and Delicacies, isang food stall sa Quezon City Hall during this holiday season. And I just learned na magkaiba pala ang vegan empanada sa empanada from Ilocos Norte. Bav Empanada and Delicacies is currently at Quezon City Hall Gate 1 from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. And magkakaroon din sila ng pop-up sa Lasal Taft, I think, next week. Holiday season pop-up lang sila. Please try to catch them this Christmas season and contact them na lang please for questions and bulk orders. Deserve talaga nila ng exposure kasi masarap talaga yung empanada nila. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. Pero what I tasted was free. They recognized me from TikTok and they approached me sa bazaar and encouraged me to try their product. And I'm glad I did because it was so much better than the other Ilocos empanadas I've tried in Metro Manila. For your info, the price is 110 pesos. May pork, cabbage, and egg na rin siya inside. Panalo yung pork nila sa loob. Good quality siya and walang umay factor. It was also moist with the right amount of salt and pepper. And I learned na iba palang empanada from vegan kaysa sa Ilocos Norte. Sa vegan version, cabbage ang vegetable sa loob. Sa Ilocos Norte naman daw, may papaya and bean sprouts. I also tried another booth sa Holiday Bazaar, the cheesy grilled talaba. 120 pesos para sa 9 pieces. Ang name ng booth ay Shakem. It was delicious also. And here are 5 basic information about the Quezon City Hall Holiday Bazaar. Number 1, according to security, open ito daily from 4 p.m. until 11 p.m. Until January din ito. Number 2, the parking entrance is along Kalayaan Avenue. Number 3, the closest location pin ng actual bazaar is Gate 1 ng Quezon City Hall. Number 4, may tables and chairs ang bazaar, pero I'm hoping na mas dumami pa. Number 5, may cute show sila sa gitna na merong moving puppets na good for kids para malibang sila habang kumakain. Repeating ang show and may intervals and schedule ito, although not sure how frequent. Thank you pala sa Quezon City Administration and Quezon City Small Business and Cooperatives Development Promotions Office for organizing this bazaar, which gives small businesses added exposure during the holiday season. Click follow for the next story.